All right guys, I'm gonna put you on to one of my favorite tricks, and we're gonna turn this into this. Here's how. All right guys, I'm X. Let me show you one of my favorite tools in my hookah tool bag. It's this right here. This is the Mob Hookah Universal Hookah Stem. But the real magic happens with this little rubber piece right here. Just a piece of rubber, but this is what makes the magic happen. And I'll show you how in a second. All right, so you're gonna take your bottle, make sure that you got some water in it. Make it flat. Push it down. Make sure that the stem is under the water. Put your tobacco on top. Blowing them for good smoke. Now, not a beer drinker? No problem. Let's say you're a wine drinker. You just repurpose this beautiful bottle of red wine into a hookah. Henny? How about this gorgeous 1.75 Hennessy bottle? Do I have your attention now? I love this stuff. This looks great when you got friends over. You know, if we ever have friends over again. So the cool thing about these bottles is you can essentially use any bottle you want as long as it has a relatively commonly sized opening for the tip. As you go up in bottle size, they do get bigger. This 1.75 liter Hennessy bottle is on the bigger end. Bigger than that, you're gonna have a problem, at least with this kit. Now, there are some other options, some other varieties like this and this. However, I would advise that you look through the most recent reviews and make sure that they have all of their ducks in a row, because some didn't have the best reviews a few years ago. That being said, you might like these a little more. I'm gonna leave some Amazon links in the description. That way you can check the most up-to-date price and availability. So that's how I turned this Corona bottle into a hookah. If you guys like this setup, I recommend that you check out mobhookah.com. That's where I got this from. I actually also got this really cool hose from them. Fully silicone with a metal handle, brass knuckles. I think it looks really cool. It was on sale. Fairly inexpensive. Good people. Anyways, my name is X. Stay safe, smoke responsibly, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.